So today's video comes from a question by Adia, who asked, I wanted to make a channel to where only I can chat in it and everyone else can just read it, but everyone can still send messages in it. I have already tried to make permissions to where only me or myself, the owner, can text in it. This isn't working though. Can you help me? So today for the video, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set up a text channel in Discord such that you, the owner, can be the only one who can write messages in it, and that everybody else, regardless of role, will only be able to read the messages. How to set up a text channel in Discord so that you, the owner of the text channel and server, are the only one that can write in it. So for myself, I already have a text channel like that. It's called New Videos. Okay. Basically, all it does is it posts a notification every time I post a new video to my YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and show you the permissions that I have set on it right now. So if we go into Edit Channel and then go to Permissions on the Permissions tab, the first thing that's important here is the Roles and Members section. So you notice there's currently 2 roles and members in here. I have Bot and Everyone. So if I have a user that is assigned that Bot role or membership, then there are going to be specific rules that follow that bot. So if they have that role, those are the rules that will apply to them. Otherwise, if they don't have a role at all, or they have a different role that isn't bot, they'll fall under these general permissions. So right now, I have my @everyone, so this includes my first week, my system admin, and all my other groups. Basically, any other role or group or member that isn't bot. So for @everyone, I have create invite turned on, so people are able to invite others to the channel. I don't want them to manage the channel, so I have that turned off. Don't want to be able to manage permissions. Don't want to be able to manage webhooks. Those are turned off as well. I do want them to be able to read messages, obviously, because I want them to be able to read what I say. I do not want them to be able to send messages. As the original question was, is how do I make a text channel so that people can see what I have said but not be able to add their own input. So that was an important one to make sure you turn off. Turn off send text-to-speech messages, turn off managed messages, turn off embedded links, turn off attached files. Allow read message history because you want them to be able to go back in time and read messages. Turn off mention @everyone @here in all roles. Turn off use external emojis, and turn off add reactions. Of course, I could turn on add reactions if I wanted to at least see some form of input versus them just not being able to say anything at all. So those are the settings that I have turned on here to only allow myself to be able to post messages and for others to just be able to read. Now, like I said at the beginning, the most important thing here is to make sure that in your roles/members option, you only have the @everyone option. Or if you do have other roles and or members in this area, that you have to go through and customize their access and abilities to manage/read or send messages in the text channel as well. But for the best option, I always say just leave it at @everyone and then change it to something like this, so only you are the one who can post messages and all they can do is read and go through the history of them. So that is how you set up a Discord text channel to only allow yourself to be able to post messages and only allow others to just be able to read and view your messages.